Morning. Getting a little bit of a late start today. This whole YouTube game is a lot of fun. No, it's not. Trying to find time to do the work, make the video, edit the video, post the video. Didn't get to sleep till late last night. Got up this morning, trying to fire up yesterday's video. I finally got it done. Now I'm outside ready to start the day. So let's see what we got to do. Where we leave off on the Mad Max machine. We left off, the axles are in. Rear end's all put together, I believe. Who knows? I didn't have any leftover nuts or bolts. That's always a good thing. Lots of shrapnel on the ground from exploding bearings. So I'm pretty sure the mission's going to continue right there. We're going to try to get these brakes in, get everything cleaned up, get this car off the jack stands, get to the other end of it, make it run nice. Did some other stuff to it before it was on jack stands. Just been in this spot for a while now, and needs to roll down the road. So let me get to it. Don't be a jerk and dump it in the dirt. Always recycle. Always take care of Mother Earth. What's in the box? Well, I'll tell you what's in the box. There's a little more room here. And here in this box, there's a little more tilt here. Figuring this all out. And here in this box is much needed new wheel cylinders, brake cylinders for the rear end. Learn one thing: you take apart a 30-year-old car, do brakes, you replace all this crap. It needs it. The other thing in the box, 2 bags of window guides. I don't know how many cars are gonna be able to do with it, but they're all the same. And trying to get some of this stuff put in. So there we go. First thing before any of the pads, shoes, anything else goes on this thing, wheel cylinders. Oh yeah. And the other thing I learned about taking off 30-year-old brake cylinders is be prepared. Hey, come on under here with me for a minute. Look, somebody already replaced some of that brake line. We'll see how it comes off. Oh, hey, look, it broke loose pretty easy. I got it from here. Oh, let's see if I could do this. Stick a little. Oh, the line is off. See if the bolts come out that easy. Yeah, so far so good. We'll see them both up. Yeah, this one's coming out. I think if I had some work here before, that always helps when they're a million years old. Oh. I think the wheel cylinder's falling on out. I'm gonna climb out from under here, try to get the rest from the outside. Out with the old, and with the new. A little bit of oven cleaner. Not really. Engine degreaser. So once again, I'm an idiot. Looked in the window of the Mad Max machine, saw them 3 cans, white cans with the blue label. Said, oh, one of them's got to be brake clean. No, all engine degreaser, brake clean. You know what's another good place to have around? Right there, Rural King. The other good thing about Rural King is it's right next to Harbor Freight. So I'm standing online at the Rural King, and Holy Holy is the Lord is playing on the radio, and everybody's looking at me, and I'm thinking, boy, I must be looking awful Jesus-like with my long hair and stuff. No, blue-haired lady behind the register, all the blue-haired people in line, all looking right at my shirt. I don't know, sorry. They said it's a special place for people like me. See you there. Here we go again. Cleaning stuff's never fun. Right in the eye. I'm good with that. Someday we'll pull the rear end out of this thing and give it a real good cleaning, rebuild everything the right way. Right now I want to drive, get this thing off of jack stands. New wheel cylinder. Just so you know, every project, there's one of them. It ain't 3/8, it ain't 10, it ain't 11. I got the death grip from hell on it with the vice grip, and all I'm doing is twisting the line. I'm pretty sure we'll be replacing the brake lines on the rear end before this job's over. I can't tell yet, but I'm pretty sure it spun right off. That's never any fun. Here's your answer. Broke it off. More to the project. So, everything we do down here in Florida is subject to weather. Felt the first raindrops and I know better. Clean up now, because it might just sneak up on you. So, today, the roundup is try to get the brakes done. Somebody been in there before. I think I got some wrong clips, some wrong springs on this side. passenger side. So that's a bit delayed. I know the top spring is the wrong one because it don't go around the wheel cylinder. There's one. Number two, I'm old and tired. I'm just trying to figure out what and how to get this all done. My content might be a little slow today. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. I'll try to get out there a little earlier. See if I can get this mission accomplished. Week's running out. Car show Saturday, car show Sunday. I'm gonna miss them all. That's how it goes. See you tomorrow.